You want a pint of ice cream, but you don't want the gut that comes with it. You don't have to choose between your goals and your cravings. I'm turning 3 popular flavors into high-protein, fat-loss weapons. You're gonna feel like you're cheating on your diet, but the macros say otherwise.
This is so good.
Here's the flavors for today.
New York Super Fudge Chunk, Churray for Churros, and Coffee Fudge Chip. All these pints are getting 1.5 cups of ultra-filtered milk. Target just came out with their ultra-filtered milk. 80 calories, 14 grams of protein, 5 grams of sugar. About $1 cheaper at Target than if you buy the Fairlife one. And the reason we're using ultra-filtered milk, more protein, less sugar than regular milk. Now every pint's gonna get 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream protein powder. I'm using this one by Optimum Nutrition. I get it at Costco, very good deal, lots of servings, and it works really well with the ice cream, being that it's vanilla ice cream flavor. 1 scoop is 31 grams. Now this is when it gets different. We're using unsweetened cocoa powder to get that nice, rich, dark chocolatey taste. And we're going 1 tablespoon or 6 grams. And now for some sweetness, for 0 calories, we're using some 0-cal sweetener. I'm using this one by Whole Earth, got it at Costco, about $9 for this whole bag. We're going 1 tablespoon of the 0-cal sweetener. And now for a very important ingredient, we're using Terra gum. This is a stabilizer. It'll make the ice cream nice, thick, and creamy. We're using very low-fat milk, so without this, it'll come out a bit more icy and not as appetizing. You can also use xanthan gum as well, a little bit cheaper, but I prefer the texture of the Terra gum. And we don't need a whole lot of this, just 1/4 of a teaspoon is all we need. And now a pinch of salt. This will bring out the flavor in the ice cream. Just a little pinch is all you need. That. And now for the Churray for Churros, we're adding in butter extract to give it that nice buttery taste in our pint without adding barely any calories. Yeah, butter extract, pretty weird, right? It smells good. It smells more like the butter on top of a pancake that's melting. That's what it smells like. And we're not using a lot, just a 1/2 teaspoon. Now for that cinnamon sugar taste, we're using some actual cinnamon sugar. We're not gonna use too much. We just wanna get that true sugary taste paired with the cinnamon to make this taste like the real thing. Even though there's not a nutrition label on this, yes, it does still have calories, so you gotta keep that in mind. So 1 teaspoon into the pint. And now for additional sweetness for no calories, we're using brown monk fruit sweetener. You could find this at most any grocery stores, but I'll put a full list of all the ingredients I use in today's video in the description. We're just adding this in for some additional sweetness for no calories and getting that brown sugar taste into our pint. We're just going 2 teaspoons. And now our Terra gum and our salt. Now for the Coffee Fudge Chip, we're using instant coffee. I just have these by Rise, but use any one you'd like. Use one preferably that you like the taste of, because that's what the pint's gonna really taste like. I'll be adding in 1 stick of these, which is 6 grams. And now a tablespoon of the 0-cal sweetener, Terra gum, and some salt. And by the way, my ebook is now out. 25 high-protein Ninja Creami recipes, all ingredients you need, macros and calories included, and some tips as well. Check that out in the link in the description. Now it's time to blend them all up. I'm using an immersion blender. You can use a milk frother. It just doesn't do as good of a job, especially when you use all these powders. So I definitely recommend using an immersion blender. Link for this one specifically is in the description. The way you do is just slowly work your way into the pint, and on the lowest setting, you start. And once it's all mixed up, rinse it off and repeat. All mixed up, and just a tip, I like to try them just to see how they taste before I freeze them. So you always want it to be a little bit more sweeter when you try it here, because the sweetness will get died down when you put it in the freezer. Now the next step, we gotta toss these in the freezer for 24 hours. Make sure they're all nice and frozen all the way through. I like to leave mine uncovered in the fridge, because when you do put them in with a lid sometimes, the middle does come up, you get a big bump, and then you gotta chip it away. Or if you don't chip it away and put it in your creamy, you might damage the blade. So I always go uncovered. Now let's go toss these in the freezer for 24 hours, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It has now been 24 hours. We're first gonna spin the New York Super Fudge Chunk. First, and we're gonna do this with all the recipes today, we're gonna run this through some warm to hot water, kind of defrost it a little bit, make it a little bit less icy, and do this for about 15 to 30 seconds. Once that's done, we're gonna take creamy, I'm gonna drop this in here, make sure it's nice and tight, put it in the creamy, and we're gonna go light ice cream setting. All done spinning, let's take a look. All right, that's nice. Now we got our mix-ins. We have white chocolate chips, regular chocolate chips, almonds, walnuts, and pecans. I'm gonna dump all that into the middle, like that. Back into the creamy, full, and we're gonna go mix in. Mix in all done. There it is right there. And optionally, you could put some more of the mix-ins for the topping.
This entire pint has 483 calories and 50 grams of protein.
Now we got the Churray for churros. Just ran it through some more in the hot water. I'm gonna drop this into the creamy and light ice cream setting. All done spinning. This is a little powdery, so I'm just gonna respin it real quick. All done respinning. And now what I'm gonna do is I have these churro twists. These are pretty airy, so I'm not gonna put this on the mixing setting. It'll just get completely dissolved and they won't be crunchy, so pretty pointless. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna drop it in here and just kind of fold them in. Knife, I'm just gonna fold them in the ice cream, just nice and carefully, not trying to break it too much. You do kind of have to eat this pretty quickly, because just like cereal, when you put milk in like your Cinnamon Toast Crunch, for example, they'll get soggy after a little bit. So you only got so much time. So now I'm taking the rest, I'm gonna put it on top, and optional, just a little bit more cinnamon sugar on the top.
This entire pint has 387 calories and 46 grams of protein.
If you like these recipes so far, be sure to hit that like button so more people can see this video. Now we have our Coffee Fudge Chip. Just ran this through some more in the hot water. This into the creamy and light ice cream setting. All done spinning. And we got some mini chocolate chips, 15 grams. That's gonna go right into the pint. I'm gonna drop it right back in, and we're gonna go mix in.
All of this is 332 calories and 47 grams of protein.
New York Super Fudge Chunk. The ice cream is nice and sweet. You get the savory nuts, the sweet chocolate chips. Really works well. This is good. Churray for churros. Yep. You get the buttery taste in the base, that sweet cinnamon taste from the cinnamon sugar, and the crunch of these churro twists. Such a good combination. This is so good. Coffee Fudge Chip. That is good. Nice, rich coffee taste. Nice and smooth and creamy. And those chocolate chips have a nice crunch. This is a good one.
So there you go, 3 pints that taste like you're cheating, but the math proves you're not. You don't have to choose between your goals and your cravings. All the recipes and ingredients are linked in the description, and my full ebook is down there if you want 25 more. YouTube says you like this video here, check it out.